Hello cuties, let's learn colors together. Red color represents pomegranate. Pomegranate. Apple. Apple. Strawberry. Strawberry. Blue color represents sky. Sky. Ocean. Ocean. Blue jellyfish. Blue jellyfish. Green color represents parrot. Parrot. Tree. Tree. Frog. Frog. White color represents polar bear. Polar bear. Cloud. Cloud. White dove. White dove. Yellow color represents banana. Banana. Sunflower. Sunflower. Lemon. Lemon. Black color represents black panther. Black panther. Crow. Crow. Black ant. Black ant. Orange color represents orange. Orange. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Carrot. Carrot. Purple color represents purple starfish. Purple starfish. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage. Purple coral. Purple coral. Pink color represents lotus. Lotus. Rose. Rose. Flamingos. Flamingos. Brown color represents brown bear. Brown bear. Chocolates. Chocolates. Acorn. Acorn. Grey color represents dolphin. Dolphin. Koala bear. Koala bear. Grey parrot. Grey parrot. Thanks for watching.